Hey guys, what's going on? Coach Frank here at the Criticalbench compound. And in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about how to train your traps using dumbbells only. And I'm going to share with you why, in my opinion, if you're trying to build big, strong, impressive traps that connect to your neck here and really make you thick and kind of stand out, that training them with dumbbells is going to be more effective. It's going to be safer for you and probably allow you guys to train them through a greater contractile range of motion. And the first thing I want to tell you is why training them with barbells is limited. So the first movement we all going to go to, and we're going to put a big emphasis on today's video, is most people, when they think about how do I train my traps, it's going to be a shrug. This is our primary go-to. You know, you get a little bit of trap work in some of your upper rows, some of your other type of movements, but the main movement is going to be a shrug, whether it's a barbell shrug or dumbbell shrug. I'm going to show you guys both of those. But the first thing I want to do is I want to tell you guys why barbell is going to be limited. So if we're doing shrugs with barbell, okay, how would I hold the barbell? Obviously, hold it right out in front of me. And in order to shrug, simple, right? I just need to shrug, bring the weight up with me, okay? But if I stood here and I just let my arms naturally fall, and what I want you guys to do is pay attention to what my hands do when I do this movement. So if I'm standing here naturally and I shrug, okay, where do my hands go? They go out, right? Okay, by shrugging, my natural body's movement is going to bring my shoulder up, and in bringing my shoulder up, my hand is going to go out. Now, when I did that with a barbell, did my hands go out? No, because they were fixed in front of me, right? Here. But if the full range of motion, and if a full complete contractile contraction is going to bring my hands out, then training them with dumbbells, much more effective. Yes? Great, glad you guys are with me. So that's why, in my opinion, I believe that training your traps using dumbbells allows you to take them through a greater range of motion. Now, can you do more weight with a barbell? Probably, because some of that weight's gonna be supported with the barbell, in between the barbell, so you're not fully getting all the weight worked through the traps. So guys, I'm gonna take you through that one more time, guys. So dumbbell shrug. Hold your dumbbells in the hands. They don't need to be in front of you. They don't need to be behind you. Place them where they want to naturally fall. So for me, that's right here at my side. Engage core. I'm not thinking about rolling up, okay? All I'm doing is the traps, which are the muscles that sit here at the top of my shoulder and then come down here in my back. Focus on squeezing those together. And showing you guys from the back here, there's a little bit of pinching or a little bit of squeezing the shoulder blades together. The traps are the muscles that sit right here in between your shoulder blades. So once again, guys, if you pay attention to what my hands are doing, as I'm shrugging, my hands are naturally going out. So that's why, like I said, guys, I believe that you're gonna get a greater contraction. You're gonna work it through a full, complete range of motion using dumbbells only. Now, there is one other movement that you guys can be doing to train your traps, and it's simply gonna be a trap upright row. So same thing, holding the dumbbells in the same exact place that we did with our shrugs. Okay, it's gonna be a partial shrug, and then we're getting a little bit more contraction as we row up. But for a lot of you guys, if you can master just the shrug, if you can train the shrug dumbbells, okay, as opposed to probably what you've been doing with barbells, you're gonna get more out of the muscle, you're gonna get more out of the exercise. And in my opinion, guys, that's gonna be the pathway for you to build those big, strong, impressive traps that I know you're all are chasing. All right, guys, so there you have it. How to train your traps at home or at the gym using dumbbells only. Really hope you guys appreciated and enjoyed today's video. Now, one thing I wanna remind you guys, if you're focused on building muscle, if you're focused on building your greatest physique, whatever your goals are in the gym, yes, it's important to pay attention to the exercise. It's important to pay attention to what you do here in the gym. But this is only one part of this process. This is where we break the muscles down. What we consume outside of the gym, what we refuel and replenish our body is just as important as what we're doing in the gym. And I want to help you guys with that. If you're struggling out there to get your protein in, if you're struggling with what do I consume after my workouts, or what do I have, you know, when I need a quick meal on the go, I want to send you guys a free gift today. For watching this video, I want to send you one of our brand new delicious anabolic protein shakes and smoothies recipe book here. Guys, there's over 30 different recipe guides in here, from the mocha latte protein, we got banana bread shake, big milk chocolate craze. Guys, there's so many delicious proteins, whether you're vegan, keto, you're looking high fat, you're looking high protein, they're all included in here. And in addition to the book absolutely free, if you click that first link down there in the pinned comment, I'm gonna send you one of our Criticalbench protein shakers free of charge. All you gotta do is fill the information out in that first link, pay for the shipping, I'll cover the rest for you guys, but hit the link down there, get one of these delicious protein anabolic shakes and a free Criticalbench shaker cup, courtesy of Coach Frank here at the Criticalbench compound. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button. But Coach Frank, Criticalbench, we'll see you in the next video.